Want to give your AI-generated song a fresh new sound? With Suno AI's remix feature, you can create a new version of an existing song by changing the style, mood, vocals, instruments, or overall feel while keeping the original idea. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remix songs in Suno AI in 2026. So let's get started. First, visit the official Suno AI website or open the mobile app and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, open your library and select the song you'd like to remix. You can remix your own songs or, where available, eligible songs that support remixing. With the song open, look for the remix option. Selecting it creates a new project based on the original track, allowing you to change different creative elements. The original song stays unchanged, while the remix is created as a separate version. Now describe how you want the remix to sound. You can change the genre, mood, tempo, instruments, vocal style, or overall energy. For example, you could turn a pop song into an acoustic version, a country track into rock, or a slow ballad into an upbeat dance song. Detailed remix instructions usually produce more interesting results. Click the Generate or Remix button and wait while Suno AI creates the new version. Once it's finished, listen to the remix and compare it with the original song. Take a moment to notice how the mood and arrangement have changed. If you're not completely satisfied, update your remix prompt and generate another version. Small changes to your instructions can produce dramatically different musical styles. Experimenting with multiple remixes is one of the best ways to discover new creative ideas. Your remix songs are automatically saved to your library. Depending on your subscription plan, you can also share it using a public link or download the remix. So you've successfully remixed a song in Suno AI, and that's how to remix songs in Suno AI. Whether you're exploring different genres, changing the mood, or giving an old song a completely new style, remixing is a fun way to unlock fresh creative possibilities. The more detailed your remix prompt is, the more unique your results are likely to be. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.